to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off read receipts on Instagram DMs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. If you want to simply turn off the read receipts in Instagram DMs, all you gotta do is simply go to Instagram. Once you're in your Instagram, you need to go to your profile and tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right corner. Once you simply do it, you need to simply scroll down and go to your privacy section. So this will be your settings and privacy section. You need to simply go there. But if you have an updated version of Instagram, you can simply go to messages and story replies. Here, you can simply see the option called who can see that you're online. There you can find the option called show read receipts. Now, once you toggle off this particular section, others can see when you have read their messages will be offed, which means you are now turning off your read receipts on Instagram DMs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.